নমস্কাৰ, আপোনালোকে চাই আছে জন্মাই মিডিয়া। অসমৰ ইমূৰৰ পৰা সিমূৰ পাবলৈ মাত্ৰ আপোনাক সময় লাগিব 5 ঘণ্টা। এই কথা ঘোষণা কৰিছে ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়াই। অসমৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়াই ঘোষণা কৰিছে এডভান্টেজ আছাম 2.0 শীৰ্ষক অনুষ্ঠানত ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়াই ঘোষণা কৰিছে যে অসমৰ ইমূৰৰ পৰা সিমূৰ পাবলৈ মাত্ৰ আপোনাক লাগিব 5 ঘণ্টা সময়। আৰু এডভান্টেজ আছাম 2.0 শীৰ্ষক অনুষ্ঠানটোৰ ফলত অসমে কি সুবিধা পাব, বৃহৎ সুবিধা পাব, এক আচৰিত ধৰণৰ সুবিধা পাব অসমে। এই সুবিধাবিলাকৰ বিষয়ে মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়াই আজি ঘোষণা কৰিছে কি সুবিধা পাব। আহক আমি তেওঁৰ মুখেৰে তেওঁৰ ভাষণত আমি শুনো। আপোনালোকে চাই থাকিব জোনবাই মিডিয়া। আমাৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।
Advantage Assam 2.0 is all about investment and infrastructure. I believe that investment will not come if infrastructure is not proper. And if we have a proper infrastructure, if we can guarantee that infrastructure, then investment will come automatically. Many journalists, many people sometimes question me that what happened out of Advantage Assam 1.0. We have heard Sri Sarbanand Sonowal, former Chief Minister of Assam, Union Port Minister. In Advantage 1.0, what we have achieved, few unique infrastructure. If we did not have that Paradip to Numaligarh crude pipeline, then Numaligarh refinery would not have been expanded today to 9 million metric ton. Amar অসমৰ বিশেষকৈ আজি আমাৰ ইয়াত ষ্টুডেণ্টছ সকল আছে, লিডিং ইণ্টেলেকচুৱেল আছে। আমাৰ অসমত যিমান খাৰুৱা তেল আমি উৎপাদন কৰোঁ, এই খাৰুৱা তেলখিনি যদি আমি অকল গুৱাহাটী শোধানাগাৰ আৰু ডিব্ৰুগড় শোধানাগাৰক দিওঁ, দেন উই ডোণ্ট হেভ ক্ৰুড ফৰ নুমলীগড় এণ্ড বঙাইগাঁও। দেট ইজ দ্য ৰিয়েলিটি। বাট আজি অসমত 4টা ৰিফাইনেৰী চলি আছে। তাৰ মূল কাৰণ হ'ল ইনফ্ৰাষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ। ইন লং বেক বাৰাউনী ৰিফাইনেৰী চলাবৰ কাৰণে ভাৰত চৰকাৰে এডাল পেট্ৰলিয়ামৰ এডাল ক্ৰুড পাইপ বনাইছিলে টু টেক অইল আপ টু বাৰাউনী। আজি সেই পাইপলাইনডাল আমি ইউজ কৰোঁ ফৰ ৰিভাৰ্ছ অইল ফ্ল' টু বঙাইগাঁও ৰিফাইনেৰী। এণ্ড টুডে বঙাইগাঁও ৰিফাইনেৰী ইজ ছাৰ্ভাইভিং অন ইম্পৰ্টেড ক্ৰুড। Likewise, Advantage 1.0, Union Petroleum Minister at that point of time, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, announced that we will create a unique infrastructure of 1600 kilometer oil pipeline which will bring oil from Paradip to Golaghat, Numaligarh. Today, in the strength of that infrastructure, we are expanding the Numaligarh refinery, and we are also coming up lot of value addition projects which we have witnessed in this summit. So for me, infrastructure is very, very important. Today, you have noticed few landmark infrastructure projects has been announced by Honorable Union Minister for Road Transport, Sri Nitin Gadkari. We are discussing these projects within ourselves, but we did not have official confirmation of these projects till today. Although we discuss about Kaziranga elevated corridor, Numaligarh tunnel, but people are listening from Chief Minister only. People has not listened it from the union government so far. But today, our Honorable Union Minister for Surface Transport, Road Transport, Sri Nitin Gadkari ji has announced a huge infrastructure projects up to rupees 55,179 crores. And what are these projects? The first one is announced, Guwahati Ring Road. Now what is Guwahati Ring Road? Guwahati Ring Road will be, Aji ami Guwahati National Highway, we have seen that 6-lane National Highway today. Our guests can now go back to airport within 30 minutes from this place. That has happened because of the 6-lane highway. Now, we want to take that 6-lane highway to Baihata Sariali, from Baihata Sariali to Sipajar, from Sipajar to Kurua, Kurua to Narengi, connecting through a 6-lane bridge. Then from Narengi, we want to come again to the our 6-lane National Highway, first to Sonapur, Sonapur to Narengi, from Narengi to National Highway. So this loop, it will connect Jagi Road very close to Guwahati. Today, with the semiconductor projects in Jagi Road, it is important that the products in semiconductor reach Guwahati Airport in no point of time. Now from Sonapur to Guwahati Airport, there will be a 6-lane road. So Jagi Road to Guwahati Airport will be now hardly 40 minutes when this ring road is completed. And I am sure that once Sonapur to Guwahati will be 6-lane, we can make Jagi Road to Sonapur loop also a 6-lane in no point of time. Now, this project has been awarded. It is not that now this project is only in the discussion. This project has been finally awarded. And next time, whenever Honorable Prime Minister will come, we will go to Kurua and we will start the construction of the bridge. Now that project, a project to karne, already everything has been done. These projects will see a investment of 5,800 crores. Ami Barak aru Brahmaputrar kotha kau. Kintu distance, the road distance created a mental distance between us also. Kan jodi ami durotto to 12-16 ghonta lage, tetia hole manuhor majot durotto khiman badhe. We are sure that within this year or maybe early part of this year, the Silchar-Saurashtra connectivity, which is a missing part from Silchar to Lamding, that will happen. But tar pisoto, that road, jihetu this is on Dima Hasao hills, it will be always prone to flood and rains. Aru jetiai dhumuwa hobo, borokhun hobo, rasta bon hoar sambhavona sodai thakibo. So it is after a very long discussion, we have created a via media that how today we can reach Silchar, Panchgram in 5 hours of time. So today, Nitin Gadkari ji has announced a 4-lane road from Guwahati to Borapani, and directly from Borapani through a lot of tunnel. Bansal ji has talked about tunnel. Through a lot of tunnel will reach Panchgram, jot amar paper mill asile, ami tate goi upostid hom. And on this project, this is about to be sanctioned. This project will have investment of 25,000 crores. আপোনালোকে গাডকাৰী ডাঙৰীয়াক শুনোতে শুনা পাই আছিল বা কেনেকুৱা, but this is a game changing project, first express highway in northeast India. ইয়াৰ আগতে we did not have an express highway. This will be the first express highway connecting Brahmaputra and Barak Valley, এণ্ড আমি 5 ঘণ্টাৰ ভিতৰত গৈ আমি শিলচৰ পাব পাৰিম We have discussed about Kaziranga elevated corridor. National Board of Wildlife has cleared it. State Board of Wildlife has cleared it. Kaziranga elevated corridor will also build with an investment of 6,000 crore. But the next game-changing projects, will be the underwater tunnel. আমি বহুত ব্ৰিজ দেখিছোঁ অসমত but underwater tunnel through river Brahmaputra we have not constructed. Now a American company has already completed the DPR. Ministry of Defense has cleared it. Government of India, all the layer has been cleared. Now it is in the PIB, and from PIB it will go to the Economic Affairs, the Committee of Cabinet. Hopefully all these things will be completed. I am sure that this is the next big project. Numoligarh aru Gahpuror majot 15,000 koti tokare 12 kilometer underwater tunnel hobo. This is what has been announced by Sri Nitin Gadkari ji today. Morigaon to Dolgaon. আমাৰ উদ্দেশ্য হৈছে জাগিৰোডক আমি ভূটানলৈকে কানেক্ট কৰা থ্ৰু ভৈৰৱ কুণ্ড সো উই ৱান্ট টু কানেক্ট চেন্ট্ৰেল আসাম উইথ দ্য নৰ্দাৰ্ণ আসাম এণ্ড ডিয়াৰ আফটাৰ টু ভূটান তাত হাইড্ৰ' আছে তাত ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰীৰ সম্ভাৱনা আছে সো আমাৰ উদ্দেশ্যটো হ'ল টু কানেক্ট জাগিৰোড টু ভৈৰৱ কুণ্ড ডিৰেক্টলি উইদাউট কামিং টু গুৱাহাটী যদি আজি আমি জাগিৰোডৰ পৰা ওদালগুৰি আহিব লাগে হয় আমি কলিয়াবৰলৈকে যাব লাগিব নহলে গুৱাহাটীলৈকে আহিব লাগিব আৰু গুৱাহাটী ট্ৰেফিকৰ মাজেদি যোৱাটো ইম্পসিবল কলিয়াবৰলৈকে গলে ইউ হ্যাভ টু গো ব্যাকওয়ার্ড সো টুডে নিতিন গাডকাৰী ji has announced that with rupees 3,225 crore new connectivity between central Assam to Bhutan to Bhairav-Kunda will be created. We have a Bhutanese delegation here. I think this is a good news for both the country. Then Kamaikha ropeway projects. 55,000 crore projects has been announced today. And this is not announcement. We are following these projects for last 2 years. We know where the file is, how much it is traveling. So we are on the top of these projects. So these are the things which should be the product of Advantage 2.0 will be game changer for Assam. But this is not what we are looking for. In 10 years down the line, just for a imagination, the same Guwahati ring road is also connected with a metro rail. The same Guwahati ring road jodi metro rail edi ami yak connect koribo paro, how much will be faster? If today Guwahati can be connected to Nalbari with a metro rail, how much we can develop this state? If today we can develop a straight like Guwahati-Silchar highway through a lot of tunnels, if we can create a straight highway between Guwahati and Dibrugarh, we can reduce the journey to just 4.5 hours. And this is our vision. Already Ministry of Surface Transport, Road Transport has started working. Already the ball has been rolled to create an express highway between Guwahati and Dibrugarh. My idea is that distance between Guwahati and Dibrugarh should be reduced only to 4.5 hours, max 5 hours. And if this is the distance, then industry mati niute, we don't have to think anything. Either you can allot land in Dibrugarh, Jorhat, Guwahati, Assam, every place of Assam will be connected from Guwahati with a distance of 5 hours. And these are now durable. With the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, nothing is impossible. মই যেতিয়া টানেলৰ কথা কৈছিলোঁ বহুত মানুহে মোক হাঁহিছিলে যে is it possible? But we have made it possible, and we have the capability and capacity to convert all our dream into reality. Now, what it means for the young generation. Today, Larsen and Toubro is constructing 16-kilometer world's longest river bridge connecting Dhuburi and Meghalaya, Assam and Meghalaya. Now there is a dream beyond. If this bridge is completed, thereafter the Matarbari port will be hardly 5 to 6 hours away. That is another story we will have someday. But as of now, the bridge will be world's longest river bridge. Along with that, L&T is already executing another bridge in Sualkusi and Palasbari. Here is an announcement of 55,000 crores. I want the Amar, Guwahati, Jorhat, Silchar, Amar Engineering College or passed out student Hokole, instead of walking here and there, we should straightway involve with this future journey of Assam. Karon, Osomot enekei infrastructure create employment avenues. Aji amak kiman workers lagibo, kiman skill manpower lagibo. Jodi 25,000 কোটি টকাৰ ৰাস্তা শিলচৰলৈকে আমি এক্সিকিউট কৰিব লাগে, গুৱাহাটী ডিব্ৰুগড় আমি ৰোড এক্সিকিউট কৰিব লাগে, it cannot be executed without the skill manpower and engineers. আজি আমাৰ সামিটত youth people involved investor with the summits, but we are also involving our youth with the summits primarily to send a very loud and clear voice that now Assam has changed, Osom poriborton hoise, we will have lot of avenues, but for that we need to improve our skill. Moi bhabu যে আমাৰ ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিং কলেজ গোটেই কেইখনে কালেক্টিভলি অসমৰ ফিউচাৰ ডেভেলপমেণ্টৰ লগত নিজক ৰিলেটছ কৰাই আমি আমাৰ কোৰ্স, আমাৰ সিলেবাস আমি আপগ্ৰেড কৰিব লাগে. We should discuss with construction giant like L&T, Adani, that how we can improve our course for civil engineering, how we should include in the civil engineering concept like tunnel construction and so many other things, so that we can supply that manpower. Once the projects in Guwahati will be completed, our young talents can join and do the projects in Meghalaya, West Bengal, everywhere. So I think our engineering colleges here from now onwards, we should think big. Amar 3.5 meter rasta keneke bonam, 5.3 meter rasta keneke bonam. I think this is not where we are going to stop. So more appeal hobo যে along with this investment summit, আজি আমি বহুতে প্ৰশ্ন কৰোঁ যে আমি বাহিৰৰ পৰা মানুহ আহিব নেকি, বাহিৰৰ পৰা মানুহ আহিব নে নাহিব, that has to be decided by us. If we do not give vacuum, nobody will come. But if we create vacuum, then these people need workers. So vacuum আমি নিৰ্মাণ কৰিম নে নাই, এটো আমি সিদ্ধান্ত ল'ব লাগিব. If our engineering college start producing engineers for making tunnels, if our engineering college start making engineers for express highway, nobody will come. Rather, we are going to send manpower to outside Assam. So this is a call. Whether somebody will come from outside or inside, this is the challenge our academia has to take. This is the challenge our engineering college and our university has to take. After investing 27,000 crores, definitely Tata needs manpower. If we do not produce manpower, from somewhere manpower has to come, because they are not making this project as a showcase, they have to recover money. So this summit, I think, will open the eyes of our academia, our eyes of intellectuals, and this is how we will proceed. আজি আমাৰ ইয়াতে ছিংগাপুৰৰ হাই কমিশ্যনাৰ্ছ আছে, মই তাতে গৈছিলোঁ, মই অসমীয়াতে কৈছোঁ জানি বুজি পেলাই. Nobody talks about emotions there. that people speak in Singapore about the future. যে কেনেকে ফিউচাৰত আৰু কি আছে, what lies ahead. মই সেইকাৰণে মই ভাবো যে আবেগৰ জাতি এটাই আমাক নিৰ্মাণ কৰিব নোৱাৰে. We have to clearly charter a new journey in our life, in our history of Assam, which is realistic, which is futuristic, which is pragmatic. We have heard Sarbananda Sonowalji, what he said, that Government of India is going to invest 5,000 crores, and we have also heard our Chairman of Inland Water Authority, Sri Vijay Kumar, has explained it further, that we are going to make Brahmaputra through dredging. We will maintain 2.5 meter of depth so that we can use. We will bring ship repairs industry facility to Assam. More importantly, Sri Sonowalji has said that we will create a institute for maritime industry. Amar Asomot Hagor nai, কিন্তু আমি যদি এই ইনষ্টিটিউটখনত সাগৰৰ কাৰণে দৰকাৰী মেন পাৱাৰ নিৰ্মাণ কৰিব পাৰোঁ, ক্ৰুজৰ কাৰণে দৰকাৰী সাগৰৰ লগত জাহাজৰ লগত যিমান মেন পাৱাৰ আমি যদি নিৰ্মাণ কৰিব পাৰোঁ, we can be a supplier of skilled workforce to the entire shipping industry. And that industry, that institute is now coming to Dibrugarh. So Government of Assam and Government of India has activated road transport. We have activated water transport. Yesterday we have heard Jyotiraditya Scindia. He has talked about the highway, because today the physical transportation is one thing, but digital transport route is more important. He has spoken how Government of India is going to invest for 5G and also data center, AI-driven data centers. We have heard him yesterday. Yesterday we have also heard Sri Ashwini Vaishnavji. Today Satanji has further reaffirmed whatever yesterday Minister Ashwini Vaishnavji has said. He has promised that there will be an new investment of 7,500 crores in Assam immediately, which will create a new railway line between Kokrajhar and Gelefu. There will be an advanced coach making factory in both Lamding and Kokrajhar. There are a lot of announcements. New railway station in Guwahati along with IT parks in Guwahati, new railway stations. So there are lot of visions of Government of India to create that infrastructure. Moi bhabu that our new generation should take full advantage of it. We should prepare now a skilled workforce. Today we have seen that there will be MOU and announcement going by the size of Assam. That will be huge. 5:30 বজাত যেতিয়া আমাৰ ক্লোজিং হ'ব, we will be able to announce that. But মই ভাবো যে ইমান যদি ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰি আহিব লাগে আৰু অসমৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীয়ে যদি স্কুলত আজিৰ কোৰ্ছে পঢ়ি থাকে, will not be able to supply any manpower to these new industries. So our next challenge is for academic reforms. Today we signed two important MOU with ITS Singapore and Assam Skill University. Oil India has also decided to have a global skill center in partnership with ITS Singapore. So Government of Assam's next focus is to create the skill manpower. Amar logot jodi skill manpower nathake, this announcement will have no value. Kintu jodi announcement thake, jodi amar intention thake ami skill manpower koribo paru, we can attract all GCCs and various other facilities to the state of Assam. Today, with the blessings of Prime Minister, everybody wants to come to Assam. Muk kaliu bahute koise je I want to set up a GCC, I want to set up a data center. Somebody has said we want to create a AI data center, but whether we will be able to give that manpower. Manpower to etu ahile nohobo schoolot pohile mukhyamantrir power kiman pradhanmantrir power kiman rashtrapatir power kiman ami jodi hebilak pohi thaku ami to goi AI driven data center kam koribo noaru. So this conference call for a immediate overhaul in our education sector. If we have to mitigate unemployment, we have to overhaul our education sector completely, and we have to work dedicatedly for that. Having said that, the government of India, both railway, waterway, railway, highway, we have seen commitment 7,000 crores from railway, new projects, ongoing projects. GM Setanji has elaborated. New project of 4,000 crore from IWAI, 55,000 from National Highway. Their ongoing project is 31,200 crores. So we are not deliberating about the ongoing projects. These are all new projects which should be and coming together. Everything, if we include, it will be almost 1 lakh crore of infrastructure assurance we have got in this summit. Along with that, our PWD department is also working, because capital formation state is also doing. Our state is spending now 25,000 crore annually for the capital formation. This year our capital investment will cross 25,000 crores, which will be again a landmark. Every year we are increasing our capital investment by 10%. But that can be further accelerated. I will request our PWD department now to explore projects under HAM as well as under BOT. So giving BOT projects, HAM projects to National Highway, that means that we are giving our own profit-making projects to the National Highway in a simple way. So today we are giving the Kaziranga elevated corridor to the National Highway. But state can build that corridor itself, and state can get the BOT. It is a project of 8,000 crore. We can also invite private investment. In fact, during this summit, I have proposals from Adani groups and other people who says that we want to develop projects in collaboration with state PWD. So I will request state PWD that now time has come to move into BOT and HAM model. We can start with small and we can dream big. So this, whatever budget we give to PWD, that 5,000 crore can become immediately 15,000 crore if we follow HAM projects, BOT projects. So now I think my request will be to state PWD that do not create your basket in two ways. In the rural area, non-commercial area, let us put 100% money from the state government, but all the profitable road projects, we should move into HAM, we should move into BOT, and I think that will create more resource, more infrastructure for Assam. Then we can request Government of India to do much more important projects, and mid-cap projects can be done by our PWD department itself. So I'll request PWD to move into the next level, that will from 26 onwards we'll do HAM projects, we'll do BOT projects. So our capability is increased manifold, and we can also deliver more quickly, because our line, our dream is big. Next 10 years, Assam can sell a big story for entire India, and we should ready for that. সকলোৱে একত্ৰিতভাৱে অসমৰ উন্নয়নৰ বাবে আমি নিজকে আকৌ এবাৰ উৎসৰ্গিত কৰিব লাগে। সো সকলোকে ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো।
আপোনালোকে চাই থাকিব জোনবাই মিডিয়া আৰু আমাৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।